Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make interactive Instagram story template in Canva. Quick and easy. First thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Canva web application, which of course I've done right here. And then the next thing, let's delve into it. I'm going to show you two interesting ways to start creating your designs on Canva. The first way is to start creating a design from scratch by clicking on this create a design button at the top right corner of your screen. And then the next thing is to click on this template option at the mid left corner of your screen. Now, once you click on template, it takes you to a wide array of design templates that you can choose from to facilitate your creative processes. That sounds cool, right? Now, that's the option we're going to choose. So I'm going to open up a template. Click on template. It's going to take you to the template window. So this is a template window. And then from there, I'm going to show you what exactly to do next. Stay with me. So ensure that you have a strong internet connection so that you won't have glitches when you're, designing on Canva. So here you go. All right, now from this window, head over to the top corner where you have search thousands of templates. Now click on the search bar and now you're going to be very, very sincere with Canva. Now, what do we want to do is to make interactive Instagram story template, right? So we're going to do interactive Instagram story template. Punch the enter button and Canva is going to respond to you nicely. So here you go. You have your template. Drum rolls, drum rolls, drum rolls. But to bust your bubbles, I like to let you know that not all the templates are for free. And to further bust your bubbles, the best designs on Canva are not for free. But then, exciting news, you can definitely get one that is for free and manipulate it to get the best design of your dreams. All right, so here you go. So here you go. So let's find the templates that's for free. Like the ones that are not for free are labeled crown, so to hell with that. So let's find something that is cool for a story and it's free. So story template. All right, sharing the gratitude. Gratitude, but that's really cool. All right, so fitness goals. Get to know me, my favorite. Okay. There's a fact. So which template are we gonna use? So you see a lot of options here, right, for you to choose. So okay. Okay. Just ask me anything like it's like most common. Okay, let's click on this. So like this is like very common ask me templates that can use on your Instagram story. So you can click on customize this template and it's going to take you to the editing suite for Canva where you can now manipulate a lot of designs until you get the best one for yourself. So this is the editing suite. Okay, it looks good. It's loading up. Now the first thing I'm gonna walk you through, right, in this editing suite is how to use the slider at the bottom right corner of your screen. So if you move the slider forward, it means you're zooming in, all right? And if you move it backwards, it means you're zooming out. So I'm gonna like zoom into a degree that will allow me to see all of the texts, all right here. So here it says good morning, all right, okay, or so I want to change this text, right? What do? Double click by using the left button of your mouse. So double click and I'm like, hey, comma, double click. sunshine, exclamation mark there. So here's a question. If this were you now, where would you be heading to? So I'm double clicking that because I want to change the question. If you were to be in the sky, where will you be traveling to? Question mark. So you can see the text is just spread all over the place, and I'm like, what? Why are you spread all over the place? So click on that text, and here you're gonna have to like change the font size so that everything can fit the size. So let's say I'm making this 25. That doesn't work, right? So I'm gonna take it to 34. So what I'm gonna do right here is very simple. I'm just gonna click on that and break the text. So just click on enter, and enter kind of breaks the text for you. So here you go. So I'm going to move these two. All right, and I'm going to take this, follow the cursor, just follow the cursor, and then you'll be good to go. It's nothing difficult. So I'm not going to take this back, right? So I'm using the left corner, left button of my mouse to move this. All right, so as you can see, I need to move this forward a bit, like to the top. It's still not blending, so space is the beauty of design. I just want everything to be perfectly aligned. So here you go. You can even change the picture in here. Yes, you can. You can change the picture in here. So you can click on uploads to, upload any file from the systems folder, or just click on elements and maybe sky. Let's see if we have elements that are going to like beat this particular element here, and then we'll be able to change that. So here we go. Nothing looks free here. So I'm going to click on see all, so I can see anyone that is free. So this is free, right? So I'm just going to drag and drop it into here. You see, like it changes everything. Like everything is the design. So you see, this is also nice. That's also nice. Hey, sunshine. So if you also want to change the positioning of this,